I think it's having a support network of people who are like-minded individuals who share similar problems, and I think also then having a network of mentors as well to help and support you in your own individual business.
I think just being, as I say, in the room with like-minded people, being able to share experiences, it being confidential, you're vulnerable in there, you know, you have to just share your feelings and your views on things.
Mm-hmm. What I found was much more. I found that being part of the Alliance had a support network of people, not just Gary, but beyond, who all had the same great attitude towards helping each other out. Mm-hmm. And we've all benefited together.
For me, it allows me to get out of the business for a day, think about what the business is doing and speak to like-minded people who, you know, have the same issues and share the same problems, which some of your colleagues in the business don't always have to think about.